basically setting up his big ramp now. Boy, that's just about as close as you ever want to see them after the first nearly full lap.
What you're looking at there is the fastest tractor tire tube in the world. Meota Lions put on a race every year in the 80s for 10 years and had the World Championship tractor tire tube races. And I was fortunate enough to win quite often with this old prototype that had an inline 150 horsepower Merc, and I spun a 30 pitch prop. I also built an inboard with an LT1 vet motor, Hayden V-Drive 30 over with a 22 pitch prop. Now this is the actual unit. When you're only allowed a 3/4 inch sheet of plywood and two 8-foot 2x4s and the necessary screws, glue, and stuff to put it together, you got to be pretty careful where you use the parts. Anyway, with the Merc, it did speeds well over 100 miles an hour. If you look at the wing, that was designed to keep the front end down at those speeds. And I was sponsored by Yamaha. That 150 horsepower with a 19 pitch prop did about 70 to 75 miles an hour. Considering there was about 700 pounds and 150 horsepower and virtually no resistance in the water, these things were insanely fast. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video.